welcome to Prime Filmy, the making. I have some very angry ladies here with me. The angry Indian goddesses. Ah! So as there was a dialogue, don't angry me. So what's making the goddesses angry?
इनसे पूछो ये बताएंगे.
I think goddesses are angry because of several things, maybe what's going on around them at home, outside, at office, in the country. And if not, they are angry for a positive change.
Yeah. And also what has actually incurred the wrath of the goddesses is our censor board. What do you have to say to that?
That definitely him.
Honestly, it's been given an A certificate and then 16 additional cuts.
I think it's very unfair. When you will watch the film, you will see that there is absolutely nothing which sort of brings women down. This film, in fact, has given voice to women. One, and second, it is about women empowerment. Our own Sarkar government is talking about Beti Bachao, and so there are many things in the film. It's totally extension of this. So I think we have to really see that there are a lot of unfair words which have been, some of the words which are removed.
They are more, let me be honest, they are more subtle mutes, not cuts. So our film is not, it's still the film with the same soul, but there are mutes. Their essence is still there. We're still projecting what we want to project. But yes, there are a lot of mutes which, of course, are... It could have been better without it. But there was no need really, but...
Or the worst is losing images of goddesses in a film which is called Angry Indian Goddesses.
Some of the songs had double innuendos and it wasn't...
That never happens in India.
So
ever.
Double innuendos, right? What is a double innuendo?
But there were double innuendos. You could take the nicer meaning, na? You have the choice. So people can choose to hear that one innuendo.
Did you ever hear that song? Saath Saheliyan khadi ko yaar kitna sharif gana tha na.
What do you have to say to our censor board chief who said ki you have to see the context in which the words were used? That's why we had to go snip, snip, snip.
Whatever. I just have one message for them. अच्छा सिला दिया तूने मेरे प्यार का यार ने ही लूट लिया घर यार का.
हम गानों से जवाब दे सकते हैं. I've got to say something to that it is so strange that a film so real as this one has had so many cuts and has to go to the censor mutes and everything, whereas they would rather just treat a fantasy the way it is, and like anything fiction is okay but anything real is not, which is really strange.
About the context, okay? All of them are going for a lunch. They are talking about lunch. A beautiful, handsome guy is walking in front of them, and one of them says, "Lunch to सामने से आ रहा है." Okay. So why would you cut lunch?
Yeah, way too much. The सामने से आ रहा है.
And I'll tell you, सामने से आ रहा है is worse.
Absolutely. But actually, what
कैसा है?
Seriously, what do you as creative people think about this current censor board issues where a kiss is snipped by 20 seconds is too long? And do you feel that the censor board is just playing nanny? We don't need nannies.
I don't know. Sandhya keeps saying this and I really like it. This is the Immaculate Conception, right?
Everybody in this world just produce children with Immaculate Conception. Or with flowers meeting. Or clouds.
Clouds.
The clouds. The job of the censor board is to give a certification, right? In our country anyway we have a problem because we only have U and A. We have nothing in the middle. Absolutely. Okay. Now an A certificate means that the adults in our country, because we are a nation of billions of people, and a lot of those people are adults, is for them to decide whether they want to watch an A rated film or not.
Absolutely.
That is not the job of the censor board.
Absolutely.
To curtail freedom or to curtail freedom of expression for creative people who worked so bloody hard and we put our heart and souls into this film. I cannot even tell you how painful it is to watch your film that you've put everything into being like mauled by someone who's not even doing his job. He's making cuts in films without watching those films. That's someone not doing their job.
I have to say something regarding that we have been to so many international film festivals, we've won awards, we've made our country proud, and instead of welcoming us, if it's okay for the rest of the world, it's got to be okay for our own country. Yeah, we have so much diversity. There's so much going on in one small surface area. If that is okay.
And also the problem here is A certificate, people get kids along. I just wish the censor board would look at that. UA films, you have people getting
I
the
think
children around.
it's much more than censor board. I mean, the film is going to release in more than 60 countries. Nowhere we've been asked to cut anything. So the problem is not just we need to go to the root and look at it that we are in 21st century India. The way we consume stories have changed. I can watch anything or what I want on my smartphone, my computer.
Exactly.
So
But Nalin, एक मेल फिल्म में माँ बहन GLPDSKY नहीं होता है मेल मतलब I recently seen a film that was released that had everything in it so why are you muting the women only yaar?
Absolutely.
It's
But
not
now
okay
don't
for women to
mute the
abuse.
women. Okay, now coming back to the movie, it's like the first Indian female buddy film. It's like Thelma Louise, like 10 times over.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thelma, Louise, Frida, Suranjana, Pami, Mad, Lakshmi.
7 times over.
Yeah.
7 times over, yeah.
So why didn't you tell us, like, what was the brain behind this movie, like? And then
I mean, brain behind you are watching them. Why? Which director wouldn't want to make film about them? They must be crazy.
Have you met us? Why would you not make a movie with us?
Now they'll say, Nalin, now they'll say we had to do something for this role. You understand? Be careful.
Sanjay is going to get me into a whole lot of trouble here. But anyways, now we are talking about issues, equality and stuff. So what are the issues that the angry Indian goddesses are bringing to light? So it's at your wedding party in the movie that the ghosts and the skeletons come out.
Yeah, everybody's. I don't think we're trying to highlight any one particular issue in general. Also, I say this in a lot of interviews. We're not trying to say anything. We're not trying to do anything. We just are. It's a conversation that you'd have with your friends, your girlfriends. It's like if there was a
conversations today. We're all talking about this. I'm sure you are sitting in office watching TV, hearing this, reading this link. These are all living room conversations. This has become our life, every woman's life today.
And
So
there's
we're
no
not
particular
like
message we're giving out through the
कि ये
movie.
दिखाना है,
Nothing
sensation.
of that
कुछ
sort.
नहीं है.
Which is in a sense empowering people. They can take whatever they can grasp from the movie. And I think that if you turn on the TV today, what would anger you is the same thing that angers every human being in the country right now. And this is regardless of the sex. You can be a man as
also, I
well.
want to add that the issues are very true to their characters. So, if 7 women are anywhere in India, whichever part of the India they are supposed to meet together, there would be 7 issues or more. So this is very real. It's not that it's like we.
And also, we're not really talking about issues in the country only at all. This is also individually as women. What are the issues that you go through? Which is why the film has done so well internationally. Because without them having any reference of India or the culture or anything like that, they still got the film.
Absolutely.
They still
Universal
came to-
issues.
It's
that
cutting
we're
across.
dealing
We've
with.
cut across societies and nations, and the only reason is not because we are sensationalizing some Indian issues. It's because we are portraying women the way they are, what they are going through, and these 7 women meet, and whatever happens to them over that week, which is something that could easily happen and happens to people Like in every character, people have walked out saying, "Oh my God, you remind me of this one. Oh my God, you're my wife, you're my sister, you're my mother, you're my daughter. The 2-3 of you make my girlfriend." I mean, even today when we are doing interviews, all of you guys are coming to us and saying, Sandhya, your character, your character, your character.
And the audience really wants a film like that because the best response that we have gotten after every time we've screened is thank you for making this movie.
Because we praised the Thelma, Louise, Vicky, Christina, Barcelona. We have our ladies here, all
Indian version now.
Exactly. So why are we doing so?
So we are just
No.
पहले आप बड़ी ना चली जाए.
yeah. So I just want to say that we are just not.
Really? Sorry, this makes me angry.
So I just want to add that we are just not 7 wonders. We are 7,000 stories. There are 7,000 women's stories.
7 million stories.
7 million.
No, and also now the line.
Yeah.
Now also the lines are being blurred because a woman no longer needs to be typecast of stereotyped in one particular role because she's willing to play all roles because it's all in one.
Firstly, not just women, no humans should be typecast.
Absolutely.
There is no box for anyone. Everybody is an individual. Everybody has the right to express themselves the way they are. And I'm glad that Nalin has made a film about women honestly expressing themselves.
And also
it is
it's
not, this is what we want
just
you to
being
see.
them,
This is
yeah.
how we are.
Yeah, just
So there is a photographer, there is an
actor,
an actor, a singer, a
corporate woman, mother.
corporate woman, woman, and yeah, exactly, trophy wife. So everybody.
There is a maid. Domestic help, house help.
And a budding actress, an aspiring actress.
Aspiring actress and an
everybody-
NGO
and-
activist.
And the issues are universal. Like every woman, I mean, despite for being what she might be,
You know these women, trust me.
we all know these women. I mean, maybe those 7 women are in.
So if you
one
tell
woman.
us, that we've done any drama,
Those 7 women are in one woman.
woman.
yeah, we've done no drama. Every woman that you meet in this film are women you've met in your life.
And what I've been trying to say
What have you been trying to
is that it's not just, we said women so many times. I'd just like to say that when we had our screening in Bombay for Mami, the hall was 90% men. And we, obviously we had our apprehensions because we were like, oh my God, it's the first time. But none of the guys came to us and were like, oh my God, really? But because they're almost like, okay, thank you, because my girlfriend's like this. And sometimes I don't know what the hell she's talking about, but now I do.
And they didn't feel bashed or anything. In fact, when Lakshmi Manchu did the screening for us in Hyderabad, one of the journalists said, okay, so how is this film going to help women? And Abhijit, a very popular actor from down south, said, in the audience was sitting for the Q&A, and he said, can I answer that? He came on stage and he said, this film is not to help women change. This film is to help men change.
Yeah.
And he just got the film bang on. It's,
Any of you think that it's all about male bashing? It's not. It's
not a
about
feminist film either.
Yeah. Though it's by a gentleman, but it's for the women and
we
by
love men!
Okay, so lastly, one reason, give us 3 reasons that why should we all head to the theaters and watch the very angry Indian goddesses.
Can I give first?
Yes, of course.
It's a pure entertainment masala, entertainment
It's a
masala.
celebration of life. It's a celebration of friendship, of buddyhood, of just having a good time.
And look at us. Why would you want to miss it?
If you're a man and you want to know what goes on in a woman's mind,
Yeah.
this is what you've been looking. These are the answers you've been looking for.
Whether they're from Mars
all
or
your
Venus,
life.
you
All your
just
life.
need to
We are a self-help film. That's what we are. With a lot of fun.
You help yourself.
Thank you so much and all the very best.
Thanks.
Chaliye, sir.